Hello, hello! Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening sa inyong lahat dyan, sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Okay, so welcome again to my channel, No More Vlog, Buhay, America. So ngayon, suit up ako para mag group ride. So it's Saturday and it's almost 11:45 in the morning. Pero ang meetup namin is 12 noon. So, pupunta ako ngayon doon. Last time, I had a lot of fun and met a couple of guys and new friends. So, hoping that I'm gonna meet new friends again today. And tingnan natin kung ano yung mga motor naman na makikita natin doon sa group ride ngayon. So, today, like I said, it's Saturday. It's just a group ride. They always do this group ride pretty much every week. So, I'm heading that way. So, I'm ready na. So, ito, yung aking baby bike is ready na rin. Yan siya. Yun. So, malinis na yan. And it's ready to have fun right now. Okay? We'll see you later. And I'm heading that way. Shane here. Mr. Shane is the group leader here for the LUBBOCK motorcycle group. Yeah, and I'm glad he included me on the group. So how long you have this motorcycle group?
This group we've had about a year. A lot of us have been riding like 10, 15 years ago.
Okay,
but it's relatively new.
Yeah. Do you mind inviting some of my friends too? Joining the group?
Absolutely. Everybody's welcome. We love everybody riding this. Doesn't matter if you're on a Harley or a moped or whatever, we ride them all. So.
All right, you hear it, guys. So you're all welcome to join the group. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. just stopped here in the parking lot of Southcrest. So we're pretty much close to the mall, and we have a friend here. This is my second time to ride with this group, so I'm meeting a lot of friends now. So what's your name, man?
Cody Mason.
Cody Mason. Okay, here's Cody Mason. He had this Kawasaki. All right, it's green, 650 Kawasaki. Wow. So how long you had this bike, man?
I've had this bike for about 2 years.
2 years.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's nice. He's the one who's doing the wheelies earlier. Oh, we're going? I think we're going.
I have no idea. You heading out?
So that's GoPro 7. Okay. Yeah. All right. You have a nice bike here, though. So, and then, how long you been in the group?
I've been in the group for about 8 months now.
8 months.
8 months.
So how do you find it?
I found on just Facebook. I got up here, looked on Facebook, and just found the group immediately.
So you always ride with the group?
Oh yeah.
Pretty much every week.
group ride, trying to get on.
Cool. Yeah. So this is a nice group ride here in Lubbock, Texas. I'm meeting a lot of new friends here. So this is my second time riding with the group. So I got to meet Cody. Last time I meet there's Christian. So and then we also have Honda here. That's a nice red Honda here. It's a 600R. Yeah. Lubbock Motorcycle Riders. Yeah. So that do you have another bike or just?
No, it's my only one right now.
Okay. Are you planning to get a new one too, or pretty soon?
I'm selling this to get CBR 600, and then hopefully one of the Groms over there too.
Oh, that one.
I want to stun it out and do what they're doing and stuff like that.
Okay. But you do wheelies on this bike too, right?
Yeah. I've been learning on this. I come from dirt bikes and stuff, so I'm
cool.
transferring my skills from dirt bikes onto the street bike.
Okay. Yeah. So do you live here and born here in Lubbock?
Yeah, I was born in Houston.
Oh, Houston.
Texas.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm up here for school at Tech.
Oh, wow, cool.
Yeah.
So he's going to school at Texas Tech. So Texas Tech is one of the biggest university here, also here in Lubbock. So we have all these guys right here enjoying the ride right now. All right, Cody, nice meeting you, and hey, thanks for the information.
No problem, anytime.
Alright, there you go. So yan mga kaibigan, meron naman tayong na-meet na mga kaibigan dito sa ating group ride. So, yan, he's a student at Texas Tech. So, ito ang maganda sa mga group ride na ganito, nakakamit ka ng mga bagong kaibigan, and then yung mga motor, nakikita mo yung mga ibang klase. Yan. So yun, nag-test drive siya ng isang motor dito, the Honda. Yan si Cody.
Dude, your brakes are horrible.
CBR 600. Meron na ring konting scratch sa baba yun. Kung makikita nyo, meron siyang scratch. So I think
Whenever I grab the front brake,
maraming siguro exhibition na ginawa ito sa motor niya. So ito rin, meron din dito. Nice.
dude, yeah, I only got the freaking 5.5K, dude. That makes me so happy. Have you seen Jackson
start. So mabilis yan. CBR 600 Honda.
There it is.
Nice.
Dude, you saw my smile when I came back. It just makes me happy.
Okay. Tapos na tayong nag-motorcycle group ride. So, Shane, thank you so much for inviting me. Also, I did enjoy the group ride today. Thank you so much. And also, like he mentioned earlier, that everyone, all my friends here in Lubbock that have a motorcycle, or everyone that have a motorcycle, you are invited or welcome to join the group. Sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Pilipinas, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, lalong-lalo na sa Umangan or mga Tarem, Pangasinan. Yan. Sa mga pinsan ko dyan, shout out to all my cousins. Also at Marabilia. Marabilia, mga Tarem, Pangasinan. Yan. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Yung Fabros family. Also to Jojo Balucos. Ayan. Kaibigan natin yan. And then Ricky Santos. Ayan, dyan sa Mabini Street. Okay, natatandaan ko pa, no? So, but anyway, kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Hope that you all doing fine. At sana, you still do remember me. Si Nomer. Okay? But, again, thank you for the subscribers and also all my followers. Also, the new subscribers. Thank you so much. Salamat sa inyo sa mga bagong subscribers ng aking YouTube channel, which is Nomer Vlog, Buhay America, Life in the US. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy our vlog today. And sana nabusog ko yung mga mata nyo, kasi yung aking mata nabusog ko rin sa pag-iikot pag window shopping ng motorcycle. Alam mo pa, minsan-minsan lalabas tayo para maglibang-libang lang. So anyway, again, you all be safe, be careful, mabuhay tayong lahat, at magsumikap upang ang buhay di maghirap. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.